Hi, time for the unboxing of the Brooks Brothers Golden Fleece. I'm the king. Anyway, this is a reenactment. I did this a little bit earlier. I couldn't wait to see my Brooks Brothers Golden Fleece shoes. As far as I know, there's no unboxing out there on Brooks Brothers Golden Fleece. It could be out there, I could be wrong. Anyway, here's the box right here. And it's a really nice looking box, very sturdy. This would be a good box to store the shoes in, keep them nice. Although in the city that I live in, we've got two Brooks Brothers shoe stores here, but most people don't even know what Brooks Brothers is. They get most of their clothes at Rural King, which maybe that's the right thing to do, I don't know. Anyway, this comes with two bags here. It's a model after the Brooks Brothers tie. I think number 1 or number 2 version of the tie, I don't know. It doesn't really matter, but there's one of these for each shoe. I ordered these online. I ordered burgundy, and that does not look like burgundy to me. Better put this away, I don't want to harm the shoe. This does not look like burgundy. It looks like almost like a toffee, English toffee look. Peanut brittle almost. And so that's not, to me, that doesn't look like burgundy, which is what I want. Beautiful shoes. It's interesting, online they have black, burgundy, and brown. I didn't see anything that looked like this color, so it makes me wonder what's going on. I looked on the receipt too in the box and it said burgundy. Anyway, it's a beautiful shoe, very sturdy. It's Goodyear welt. You can see it has the Brooks Brothers, I guess that's supposed to represent the rep tie here. It's nice that it's rubber here, so you've got that to help provide a little bit more traction versus just a plain leather sole. Made in Italy, which of course the Italians make great shoes. It has this Brooks Brothers metal thing here. I don't know how that would do on, say, concrete steps in a parking garage or something like that. It seems like it would be a little bit of a safety hazard, but I think they've been doing that for shoes for a number of years with some of the makers. It has an insert, and it's interesting. It has the B. It appears to be a B here, like the Brooks Brothers logo. It also says Brooks Brothers here. Not that it really matters. This is very superficial stuff. I mean, if most of the people in my town saw somebody even caring about stuff like that, they'd think you got to get your head put on straight. Anyway, I prefer not to wear my shoes with these. I think it's better on a Goodyear welt to just allow your foot to kind of mold to the inside of the shoe. And so, where'd you get those shoes? I got these shoes at Brooks Brothers. Oh, you did? I got mine at Rural King. Anyway, it's a beautiful shoe, and I'm going to take it back. I'm going to take it back to the store. I don't want to have to hassle with shipping it. I'm hoping that they'll take it back. I'm sure they will. But I'm going to get my monies back out of this, unless they happen to have one that matches. It's a beautiful shoe. I would keep it. I just don't need a pair like this. Not that I have a ton of shoes. Thank you for watching, and I plan to post more. And I appreciate you watching this video, because I go through so many of these. I see some of these unboxing videos out there where they spend about an hour just unboxing it, and it just makes you want to nod off. And it's a complete waste of time. So I didn't want to waste your time on this one. Arrivederci.